Hello everybody, welcome to Python tips and tricks video. In this video I will show you how to open multiple files using Python. In this folder I have a bunch of files. There are GPG file, Jupyter Notebook file, CSV file, a PNG file, as well as text file. So what I'm going to do, I will open or load all of this GPG file in my Jupyter Notebook using the matplotlib.pyplot. Here in my Jupyter Notebook file, I will import the matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. I will open a single file first using the plt_imread function, save it as an image variable, so I can display the image using the plt_imshow. If I want to open and display the other image, I should change this file name with the other image file name, load that file using plt_imread again, and display it using the plt_imshow. And I should repeat all of this process again and again. So, to open a multiple file, we should get a list of the file name that we want to load into this Jupyter Notebook. To get the list of the file names, we can use the glob library. To import it, we just simply type import glob. And to get the list of the file names, I'm using the glob.glob function, and for the input, we put the star symbol dot the file extension. In this tutorial, I would like to get the list of all the GPG file, so I put star.gpg. Now let us see the result. Alright, we get all the list of the file name here, and all of this file is the GPG file. In this case, my Jupyter Notebook file and all the GPG file are in the same folder. Sometimes our Jupyter Notebook file and the file that we want to open is in different folder. In that case, we should put the full folder path as an input in glob.glob function as shown in this cell here. Let us run this cell, and now we see the result. Okay, as you can see, now our list contains the full path of its GPG files. Next, let us read and display the image using the plt.imread and plt_imshow. So far, we have successfully get the list of the file names. However, when we need to load and display it, we still should do that manually one by one by changing the index in the file names, and then call the plt_imread function, and then call the plt_imshow. So in the next step, we can use the for loop to open all the image file, and then we can save it as a single variable as well as display all the image file. To do that, first we need to make a placeholder variable as an empty list. Here I call that variable as my image, and I will save all the image file in this variable. Using for loop, we read all the file using plt.imread as an image variable, and then we append it in my image variable. We also can display all the image using the plt_imshow. Let us run this cell. As you can see the result here, we display all the image file using the for loop. And now let us check the myImage variable. Let's first check the type of this variable. It is a list variable, and we also can check the length of this variable. So 61. So this 61 means there are 61 images in this myImage variable. Now let us check the shape of this variable. So it's a three-dimensional matrix because this is an image in color image. And we can also check the type of the first image file. It's now stored as a NumPy array because we read it using the plt_imread. Now, because all the image file has been saved in my image, I can directly display it using the plt_imshow, and we just need to specify the index. Let us preview the other image. Alright, good. Finally, I put all the code into single cell here. As a recap, first we need to import the glob library. Then using the glob.glob, we get the list of the file names. Next, we create a placeholder and use the for loop to read and save all the image file in one single variable. And that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand and learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and see you in the next tutorial video.